Good morning. Ang topic natin ngayon is rollover. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng rollover? That means pag nag-retire na kayo, rollover is ita-transfer nyo yung retirement money nyo sa ibang management company. It's your choice pag gusto nyo yon o iiwan na lang sa company nyo yung retirement money mo. Ang kailangan, you have to go to, bago kayo mag-retire, punta kayo sa Human Resource Office, yung benefits section, at explain nila sa iyo lahat ng mga benefits mo. Okay? Gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo noon na hindi ako satisfied sa mga yun nga, yung retirement money ko. Pag namatay ako, explain sa akin, example, 1,000 ng retirement mo a month. Example lang ito ha. Ngayon, pag namatay ka, yung retirement mo, yung survivor mo, yung gaya ng asawa mo, walang matatanggap. Wala na yung retirement mo na 1,000 a month. Ngayon, kung kukuha ka ng some kind of insurance, like parang sa military, yung survivor's benefit na sinasabi nila, mababawasan yung monthly retirement mo na 1,000 kasi kukuha sila ng parang insurance money para pag namatay ka, may makuha yung misis mo. Halimbawa, gusto mo 50% ng retirement mo mapupunta sa misis mo pag namatay ka, may certain amount na i-deduct doon sa 1,000. Kaya hindi mo na makukuha yung buong 1,000. Kung ayaw mo yon, walang magawa si misis mo. Kaya naisip ko mag-rollover. Yan ang topic natin ngayon. Ni-rollover ko yung retirement money ko from General Dynamics sa management company or investment company na maraming management company na magmamanage ng retirement account mo. Doon may rollover. BlackRock is the number one management company. Vanguard is number 2. BlackRock is about $10 trillion minamanage na pera. Vanguard is about 7 trillion. Those are the two biggest management company in the world. So, sino ang gusto mong mag-manage ng retirement pera mo? Yung employer mo? Each employer sa US, sila ang nag-hire ng mga nagmamanage ng retirement funds ng mga employee nila. So, is that good? Is that better? I don't know. But to me, mas trust ko yung outside the company gaya ng BlackRock or Vanguard. Tsaka you're on your, tsaka may control ka pa sa account mo. Nakikita mo online, it's very yung may choices ka everyday. Kung ayaw mo doon yung investment portfolio na yun, you can change it. nakikita mo. Talking about rollover, it's easy. All you do, bago ka mag-rollover, you have to have a place where to put your money. Kaya mag-open ka muna ng account somewhere sa BlackRock or Vanguard. So, kailangan na-explain ko na kung paano mag-open ng account. Ngayon, may account ka na, pwede ka na mag-rollover. So, yun ang topic natin, mag-rollover. Okay? Rollover. Learn how to rollover. Yeah, click mo yan. Is seamless rollover experience. Pag may account ka na sa Vanguard, like I did, all you do is call Vanguard. Sila na nag-rollover. Wala, napakadaling effortless. Call Vanguard and they ask you information, yung account mo, you fill up the form, you give it to them, then they'll do it for you. It's free, no charge. See? Back. Okay, the 3 steps, sabi niya rito. Yun nga, select an eligible. Pag nag-rollover ka, kasi yung retirement account mo is tax deferred, hindi nagbabayad ng tax. Okay, kaya magsiselect ka rito. Sabi niya, select an eligible Vanguard IRA. Kaya rollover mo sa IRA. Okay? If you're rolling over pre-tax, yung pre-tax assets, yung pira mo, you will need a rollover IRA or traditional IRA. Traditional IRA are the same. If you're rolling over Roth, yung after tax, yung Roth IRA, saka ko na-explain yung difference ng dalawa na yan, Roth at saka standard. If you're rolling both types, you'll need to separate. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-roll over mo sa standard or traditional IRA. Contact the financial institution holding yan. Contact mo sila. Kung may Vanguard account ka, tawagan mo Vanguard, they'll do it for you for nothing. They're willing to do it for you. Kasi pupunta yung assets sa kanila. See? Deposit the money into your... Yan, sila na magdi-deposit. Wala ka nang gagawin. Now, pag nandun na, how to invest your assets. Kaya mamimili ka na ngayon kung saan mo ilalagay yung... Pag nandun na, take para mag-settle down everything, normally 2 to 3 2 days normally nandun na. Electronic transfer lahat. Kikita mo na, open mo na yung account mo, nandun na lahat yung retirement account mo. Ngayon, anong gagawin mo? Yan. Determine your asset allocation. Yung asset allocation. Saan mo i-allocate yung pera mo. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo, mamili na kayo doon, kayo nang bahala. Yung mga 10 ETF. Take our investors questionnaire. Tingnan natin. Start your investing journey. Start the quiz, sabi niya. Tingnan natin. Consent electronic delivery and terms and conditions of use. Yan, you have to electronic accept. I-accept mo para makatipid ka ng $20 a year. Accept, sabi mo. As I withdraw money from this investment, I plan to spend it over a period of, ikaw na mag-choose yan. Since you're expecting a long life, maybe more than 15 years. Next. Tinitingnan lang natin ang mga kon. You don't have to do this. Why I'm asking this question? Once you start withdrawing and spending your money, you'll want to be sure it will last as long as you need to, depending on your goal. That could be a short or long period of time. It might be a one-time expense, such as buying a house, several years of paying. Basta tayo na yan. Okay, next. Investment plan. When making a long-term investment, I plan to keep. Wala na yan, mga kabayan. Unnecessary question na yan. So, nandun na yung pera ninyo. Balik tayo sa back. Yung pagtatransfer ng pagro-rollover ang topic natin, okay? So, short video na i-rollover na yung pera. Pag nandoon na yung pera nyo, anong gagawin nyo? Yun nga. You can do it yourself. I-open na yung kanya. Punta na kayo sa website ng Vanguard. Okay. I'll show you the website. It's easy. It's even the kid can do it. Just you read it. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Next video. Yung website, yung real live website ng Vanguard. So, ang daling intindihan. Okay?